Hi, I'm Ty Stenbrecker, Tech Service Manager at Boss. The Boss Tech Service team is here to back you up. Today we're going to talk about how to install Urethane Edge Kit on one of our straight blade snowplows. Urethane Edge Kit is a great accessory to have on a snow raider as it provides optimum scraping performance and also protects that sensitive surface that you may be plowing. Before we begin this install today, let's make sure you have the proper parts and tools necessary to get the job done. Now, let's get to work. Use a jack stand to support the plow. Remove the existing cutting edge from the plow. Attach the urethane edge to the plow using the supplied hardware and metal strap. This Boss logo here serves as a nice wear indicator feature. As the cutting edge wears up to the top of the Boss logo, as soon as that Boss logo disappears, that's when you know it's time to flip that cutting edge over and start wearing down this top side. We hope you found this video helpful today. If you have any questions, please contact the Boss Tech Service team. We're here to back you up. Shop any other genuine Boss attachments for the snow raider at bossplow.com.